welcome back. It's day 11,000 of quarantine, and I don't know about you guys, but my skin looks rough right now. I have not been doing the routine that I should be doing, so today I wanted to show you how to do a spa quality facial at home. The basic steps of a facial are cleanse, steam, exfoliate, extract, massage, and mask. That goes for whether you're at home doing it yourself or you're at the fanciest spa in the world. The order is pretty much always going to be the same. We all know we shouldn't be extracting at home, let's be honest. But also, let's be honest, we're still gonna. Sorry, every esthetician ever. Sorry. When you're giving yourself a facial, obviously you need to think about what kind of skin you have. Do you run towards acne? Are you oily? Are you dry? Are you dehydrated? Are you like me, where you're a combo, but the dry parts of your skin get so dehydrated that your skin likes to peel off because it can? I'm going to show you some of the issues that I personally have and how I'm going to treat them. So I have issues with dehydration through my cheeks. My pores want to be a lot bigger than I want them to be. And I've got a little bit of hormonal acne just bouncing around on my forehead. So we're going to treat that today. I cleansed my skin. My skin runs towards dehydrated, so I've used a creamy cleanser in the shower. But now I'm just going to follow up with the Kogendo cleansing water. I have left my steamer in another state, so I'm gonna go real old school and put some hot water in a pan, like an adult. I've steamed my skin for about 10 to 12 minutes, and you can see there's definitely a more openness to my pores, and I've kind of started to get a little bit of a glow going. So now I'm going to exfoliate. I'm going to exfoliate today with the Ellen Lang Retexturizing Peel. It's a set that comes with 8 treatments, but what's interesting is that it actually uses 3 different forms of exfoliants. There's a physical, a chemical, and an enzyme, all in one treatment. I've been using it and I'm super impressed with how my skin's responding to it. Start with the Peel Prep Scrub. Just a little, that's about all you need. Massage that into your skin. You want to leave it on for about a minute and then just rinse. I need a towel. Step 2 are the Peel Accelerator Pads. This is a glycolic acid based pad that's super gentle but preps the skin for what's coming after. You actually are given enough to use every day at night if you want. And you just massage it into the skin and let it sit. Step 3 is this glycolic peel. Comes with a little measuring cup to show you how much to use. You just pour out a teaspoon. And honestly, I found that I use even less than that. I'm a little foamy right now. This is what the peel solution is doing. You want to let it sit for a couple of minutes until it foams to about this point, 2 or 3 minutes, and then you just want to massage the remainder into your skin. Now that you've massaged the peel solution back into your skin, let it sit for about 5 minutes to finish the peel. The peel has been back on my face for about 5 minutes, and now I'm going to take it off. You'll want to actually go wash your face because this is not something you should run the risk of leaving sitting on your skin. I'm done with the peel, and you can take a look. There's some redness, but that's pretty standard for me. I'm always like that once I've done something to my skin. Take a look at my pores. you were at a spa right now, they would probably re-steam your skin and then do some extractions. You shouldn't do extractions at home, but if you're going to, let me show you how to do them a little bit more safely. Back to our buddy, the steam. You'll re-steam your skin. Don't go after your skin with your fingers. Don't do this. That's really bad. You can permanently damage your skin that way. If nothing, a little extractor. This one's from Tweezerman. This flat end. If the stuff that's in your skin doesn't come out almost immediately, that means it's not ready to come out. If you have a professional going in there and really extracting, they've been trained, they know what they're doing, they know how to do it without permanently injuring the skin. You haven't. So I know it's so tempting, but unless you just go like this, boop, and it comes out, just leave it alone. Your skin will thank you. We've done our peel and our extractions. And now I'm just going to spray my skin with a soothing, calming spray from Lemieux. To recap, we've cleansed, we've steamed, we've exfoliated, and we've extracted. Now it's time for the mask. Now's the time where you order some fava beans and a nice Chianti. The ingredient concentration in this mask is the equivalent of an entire bottle of their serum. This mask has an inner layer to it that they call the velvet layer, and it helps to grab onto the serum treatment and push it into the skin instead of letting it just slide down the face. You can actually feel the difference when you put it on. It's kind of amazing. It has a tuberose polysaccharide and sodium hyaluronate, which help to draw moisture really deeply into the skin. It has beta-glucan and algae extracts, which are super nourishing. I've had this mask on for about 15 minutes, and I'm gonna take it off. There you go. I see more even skin tone. My skin feels way better. It definitely feels more calmed and more soothed. The Cogendo Macro Vintage Royal Massage Milk, just a little bit, about a pump and a half. One of these guys. I love a good jade roller. I love a good gua sha tool. I just happen to have the jade roller in front of me, so we're going to use that. Start at the center, working your way up and out. Can you see the difference in puffiness and firmness on the side of my face that I've jade rolled versus the side of my face that I haven't? And now the other side. I'm much more hydrated than I was before. My skin is a lot happier. I'm going to show you Cogendo's Macro Beauty Eye Power Massage. This is the Macro Vintage Eye Treatment. It's just the sample size that comes in one of the gift sets. You want to massage outwards and all the way back around. For a final step, if you really want to seal everything in, you can take your favorite skincare oil. I'm going to use the Wonder Gloss This Is Everything oil. And just press it in to seal. I hope you've learned a little more about how to take care of your skin at home. Let me know what you think and let me know what questions you've got. Bye, guys.